What's wrong?
Big Brother House, this is Davina.
Oh, Davina!
Darnell. Katreya. Michael. Mohammed.
All of us.
Rachel.
Yeah, okay.
Rex.
That's fine.
And Sarah.
Okay.
The lines are closed.
That's fine.
The votes have been counted and verified. And I can now reveal that the 12th person to be evicted from the Big Brother house is...
Cat, come here.
Mohammed.
No way.
God.
Oh,
Mohammed, man.
sorry. Wow. Mikey, come on.
Mohammed, it's now time for you to say your goodbyes. I'm coming to get you!
No!
Is that real?
No, no. No. Stop! No, no. That's it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mohammed, you have been evicted. Please leave the Big Brother house. Mohammed, you have been evicted. Please leave the Big Brother house. Mohammed, you have been evicted. Please leave the Big Brother.
It's his fault. Mom, we love you, Mom!